Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop where we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I will try to explain. So what are the steps involved to design this report? So the scenario is, so there are some cases I have seen. So they want to find each month wise first week sales, like for example in January month, from January 1st to January 7. Okay, 7 days sales each month they want to display in the report. So how to do that? Okay, so if you notice here, so in this table report I have displayed each month wise. I am displaying the 7 days from January 1st to January 6th. Okay, 6 days sales again for second month February, and also third month likewise. So up to December month I am displaying the 6 days sales based on the selection. For example, in case if I select here, so it will change dynamically. So I have built this report in dynamic nature. It means that based on the selection, we are trying to display the number of day sales for each month wise for the respective year selection. If I did not select year selection, it means that whatever the years data available, it will display all the years. If you want a specific year, we can select it, or if you want to show all the years, we can display here itself. So likewise I have written the measure. So same thing I have kept in matrix also. We'll try to see that. Now here also we have two slices like year and day number. So based on the selection, here also same thing I am displaying. If you notice, in January month I am displaying the 6 day sales. Again for February month, March, April, May, June, July. Likewise, so here I have selected 2003, means for the 2003 I am displaying the 6 day sales for each month. In case if I select 7, means so we are displaying so for each month wise 8 days. So why we are getting 8 means based on the selection of 7. So because I have written the condition like that. If you want 7 days, we can make it 7 days also. There is no problem on that. But for timing, I just added one more day extra. That's it. There is nothing wrong. Okay. So first we'll try to see so what kind of expressions I have written to get this report. Okay. So now, so in this measure, what I am written is, first I have declared one variable, so year select. So in this variable, so what are the slicer I am selecting, I am trying to capture in this variable. For example, if we did not select any value in the year slicer, I am trying to take the what are the value available minimum. Okay, I am trying to take and store it here. And also, so we have another slice, that is day number. Okay, what are the value we have selected in that slicer also I am trying to take into so another variable. And one more variable I have declared, that is max day year. So it means that so what are the month number, so each month we have month number, right? So I am trying to take the minimum day. Okay, for example January month means I am trying to take the January 1st, February means February 1st, March means March 1st. Likewise each month wise I am trying to take the minimum, what is the minimum day number. Again finally I am trying to return by using calculate sum x. So I am trying to find the sales amount, and also I am applying the filter condition. Here I applied the filter, so like day number, day year greater than or equal to max day year and less than or equal to. Okay, so this expression giving the dynamically, so each month wise the what are the days you want to display, so we can display it here. So it's working so dynamically. We can select whatever you want. So this is 2002. So we are trying to display the 7 day sales for each month wise. Okay, likewise we can design the report. I have seen so many times in different platforms, so that's the reason I'm trying to create a video so that helps to understand so people. Okay, so I think you guys like the video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email, or if you're looking for any kind of trainings in DAX, SQL Server or MSP, you can send me an email. So thank you for watching. Thank you guys.